Want to copy text from any image, PDF or screen in Windows 11. As you can see, this is the document image we will use to extract text. First, press the print screen key on your keyboard. Now select Text Extractor. Next, simply drag and select the text area you want to copy. And just like that, Windows automatically detect and select all the text. Now click on Copy All Text. Then paste it into Microsoft Word, Notepad or anywhere you want. No typing, no extra software, super easy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.